Alright, here's our update of our Swift chopper saga, I guess. Never-ending project. So, I had this all converted to a chain drive. I was ready to go out and test ride it. And when I pushed the bike backwards, the rear wheel was making a bunch of clunking noises. Like this, where it gets really, really tight, where it won't move no more. And I wasn't sure what the problem was. I thought the main shaft slid over in the Baker transmission just like it did before, because Baker has this stupid ass retainer right here that is very easy to bend. So if you beat on the main shaft over there to get your clutch on or off, you will push this in, and then the whole main shaft thing shifts over about 1/8 of an inch, and it screws up everything in the tranny. That's what it did before. I thought that's what the problem was again, but no, it's nice and tight up against the cover right now, so that was not the problem when I took that off. So then we went to get the top of the transmission lid off, which means we had to loosen up the oil tank, take fittings off and lines off, and loosen up the starter, and it was fun. So an hour of screwing around with that, trying to get the damn thing off. Finally got the tranny cover off, so we can look inside the gearbox and see what's wrong. And what we found is we have a broken tranny. So the high gear in there is missing some teeth off of it. And I don't know if you can even see in there, but way up in there, down in that little area back in there, you can barely see, there's broken teeth. See, high gear is the ones that are rotating in there right now. There we go. So there's some teeth issue in there, so I can't really tell the picture what we got going on there, but try to get the camera to focus in. I can blow it up a little bit bigger. When I play this back, you'll be able to see it really nicely, how bad it is. Maybe I'll see how many teeth are actually broken. My camera stay focused where I want to. Tight spot right there. Oh, there. Ooh, that's a nice one there. Look at that nice big chunk missing. Way on camera. Focus right there. Damn it. Right on that spot right there. There it goes. Look at that nice missing bad tooth. See, that's why it doesn't want to rotate. And the high gear next to it has the same issue. And I'm going to stay focused. It keeps changing the focus. Anyway, yeah, it doesn't want to go through. If you push it through, it goes through, see? There's another one right there coming around. That's, ooh, half that tooth is gone on one side. High gear is missing a couple teeth too. There you go. There's high gear is missing some teeth. Oh, ooh, oh, Jesus, those are nice ones there. Those are supposed to be teeth in there. They're not there anymore. So, anyway, that's why the bike won't roll. So, yeah, see, it has a tight spot in there. Whenever you have a tight spot in your rear wheel like this, usually it's teeth. So, I can't really see if how the other teeth look like, so I can't really see in there very well. They're probably not too bad, but I'm sure they're wasted. So this is a Baker tranny. It takes a Baker gear set. I don't know how different this gear set is from a regular gear set, but it doesn't really matter if you buy like one of those Ultima gear sets, 6-speed deals. It comes with a new trap door. Everything gets swapped out. Doesn't make any difference. The problem is this bracket comes off this trap door, and it probably, I think this is the same bolt pattern as stock Harley here. So it'll probably be all right, but it's like I said, but the difference in the offsets might be different too. If I get a 5-speed gear set, a regular 5-speed gear set, my guess is it might be the same, but I'm not sure, because I don't know why they made a stupid design like this for a retainer instead of copying a Harley did with that snap ring there that will never come out. So it looks like the gear set's wider than normal. So, but anyway, without taking it apart, I don't know. But either way, if you swapped out all the guts, it would definitely swap over, but we might have some exhaust bracket issues. So there you go. That's why the bike is not out of the shop again. Motor starts and runs good though. Got that far. But oh well, there you go. So we have more work to do on this project.